Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Mobills account. So if you also want to log in Mobills account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Mobills is a personal finance manager application that helps users manage their finance. It allows the users to create budgets, track expenses and manage their accounts. So if you also want to log into your Mobills account, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Mobills application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Mobills application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now, if you do not have an account, simply tap on the option Get Started. After that, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. But if you already have an account, simply tap on the option I'm already registered. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. You can either continue with Google or you can also continue with email. Simply tap on the option of your choice. If you tap on the option continue with email, you'll have to enter your email and password. If you tap on the option continue with Google, you'll have to choose an account to continue. Simply tap on the account that you want to log into. You can see over here, you'll directly be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Mobills account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.